नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमि. B.S. Yediyurappa's news is yet again occupying the space of media houses. The news being run is that he will resign. In fact, some young reporters who do not understand the politics of a party and its political leaders jump the gun and write and produce nonsensical bulletins, much to the delight of pro-Congress editors. And interestingly, some tired and retired editors add fuel to the speculation on their respective Facebook pages. Why they do it, please call me and I shall reply off the cuff. So, there is a gang, and this gang started to speculate on a photograph of Yediyurappa and Narendra Modi, who had met at New Delhi a couple of days back, or yesterday if I am right. Based on this, they, especially the television reporters, began running the story that Yediyurappa will be replaced. And some of them even declared the date of his resignation, July 26. They declared. Arey, why will he resign, bhai? His administration is going great guns. The party has won handsomely in the bypolls. Of course, there are some grievances raised by those leaders who haven't got a berth in his ministry. Induction of ministers is not something that cannot be solved. The rabble rousers can be accommodated in the ministry sometimes later. As far as I am concerned, I don't find any reason for the BJP leadership to change Yediyurappa at this point of time. The party understands the risk of replacing the Lingayat strongman now, because the massive defeat it received after he quit in 2012 is still fresh in its memory. If anything, the replacement of Yediyurappa will only arise after the next assembly election. BJP cannot lose him at this point of time. In fact, Yediyurappa has rubbished reports of his resignation as fake and baseless. He said, until now, there has been no discussion on an alternate leadership, and the party leadership has given him full responsibility of strengthening the party. They have also asked him to continue as Chief Minister for now. Whatever they say has to be followed. There is no question of change at present. This is what Yediyurappa has told the reporters. And not a single central leader has contended this statement. So it is clear from Yediyurappa's statement that he is not resigning and will continue and complete his 5-year term. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.